Good morning, students. Welcome all. As you all know, I am your social studies teacher. In previous class, we learned about maps and type of map. How the maps present information about the world in a simple visual way. They teach about the world by showing shapes and size of countries, location of features, types of map, paper map, board map, wall map, world map. Now, today we are going to learn about direction. See in the book, all map follow the four main direction. These directions are east, west, north and south. If you are standing in front of a map, its upper end shows the north, the lower end shows the south. To your right is the east, to your left is the west. All maps follows the four main direction. These directions are east, west, north, south. Direction is defined as the path that something takes. The path must be taken to reach a specific place, the way in which something is starting to develop or the way you are facing. Now, look at this map. This is the map of India. Now see, the upper ends shows the north. The lower end shows the south. To your right is the east and to your left is the west. Direction plays an important role in map. Without the knowledge of direction, we can't use the map. Now see, points to remember. A model of the earth is called the globe. A drawing of the earth on a flat surface is called a map. The earth moves round its axis from west to east. Large bodies of land on the earth's surface are called continents. There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Large bodies of water on the earth's surface are called oceans. There are 4 oceans: the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. All maps follows the four main direction. These directions are north, south, east and west. Now come to the exercise. In previous class also we learned this exercise. Now again I am repeating this to reminding you. Now see the first one, name the following. As you have learned in previous lesson about map, a book of map is called atlas. The largest ocean, the Pacific Ocean; the smallest ocean, the Arctic Ocean; the largest continent, Asia; the smallest continent, Australia. A small model of the earth is globe. Now see, choose the correct answer. The earth is surrounded by air. We have day and night because the earth rotates on its axis. The large bodies of water on earth are called ocean. So children, today our lesson 1.2 is complete. Hope you understand the lesson. Thank you.